Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I got here for you today is a wheel and tire detailing video. I just did the motor on this. You can find that on my channel. I do new videos every day. You can find over 3,500 of them on my channels. I got a wheel brush. You can see the curve in it, tire brush. And you can see that curve? It's nice for tires. It's the best way to go. I like to, kind of a tip I guess, spray some degreaser on my brush before I go. And put my work boots, which I should be wearing, on here. And then clean the thing off. The brush is cleaner now. And I'd used it quite a while without having it cleaner. Now my wheels, I've kind of sprayed them down and stuff. And this is a great time when you're doing this kind of stuff to always get the wheel well. If you're selling your car, one of the best tips you can get for selling your car is make the wheels and tires look good, but also get the wheel wells. Nothing is as bad as getting pictures from across the street or something, and you look at the car and you can just see brown, tan, dirty wheel wells. Now, I don't have everything over here I'm supposed to, but you want to scrub with this tire brush. Scrub the heck out of this. And scrub it around like I'm scrubbing, but when you're done scrubbing around, go around the edges like that, up and down. You want to get it up and down and make sure and get the grain. All these grains in between the Michelin, you want to get it agitated just a bit. Now don't let it sit on there very long once you agitate it. You want to get it off. And once I agitate like that, sometimes I will get a little bit of grease on it. Again, or a degreaser. Now, at this point, I'm pretty much at the washing stage too. So I've been under the hood, I'm doing tires and wheels, and now I'm going to start washing the wheels, because washing your wheels is just key. And no need to try and do it with the car when you can do it while you're scrubbing the tires. In my opinion. You're down here, you're using a different rag. It's not going to be as, it's going to be dirtier when you're doing this stuff. And you don't have to track that all over your clean car you're washing. So, just get it as good as you can. I like to let that stuff sit on there for a little while, soak anything else up it can. This one's already wet, so I might as well get my degreaser on it. Always try and work ahead of tire. I like to stay one tire ahead of myself. This one's ready to go. Working in the shade on these is really easy. And it's just a work vlog. I do new videos every day. Make sure and subscribe. Check out my channel. You'll see reviews of all the cars that I'm detailing as I sell them. Nice Michelin tires. Michelin. Say it a different way every time. But the fact stands. Nice tires. You know, a nice day like this, washing cars, is just amazing. It's amazing. I love it. Okay, that's 2 down, 2 to go. And like I say, I didn't do it last one. I'll do it this one. Wheel lips, baby. Get your wheel lips. Nothing looks worse than crappy wheel lips up next to perfectly washed wheels. It's awful. If you want max value out of your car, try and get rid of that. Okay, moving right along, shuffling right along, doing it and tuning it. Now the reason I didn't, you can see how it's brown on there versus the other side it was in the shade, you couldn't. The reason I didn't run ahead over here and start doing this one ahead of the other one is simply because I didn't want it to dry up in the sun. Be aware of your surroundings and the sun. Sun is a bad, bad enemy of degreasing and washing, especially tires. Tires are black and they absorb the heat, and it's awful. Okay, I almost got wheels, tires done on this thing, and now we're gonna do some correction on the front bumper, kind of wash it towards this evening. I'm gonna try and get all my tires and wheels, motors done on this one, this one, this one. I'd like to get that one too. And then I'm gonna, look at this thing's already dirty, dirty as can be again. So I'll get those 4. Tires, wheels, motor, and then this evening I'm gonna wash 2 of them, and hopefully, man, it's gonna rain Monday too. Interesting time of year to be detailing cars in California, for sure. It's always a challenge for me. I'm washing them outside. Which is definitely not ideal, I guess you'd say. Nice car. Yeah, I know, I just wasted a lot there. Actually, I was supposed to change my shoes. I got my Sunday go-to-meeting sandals on. I don't have my work sandals on. I was trying not to get them wet. Didn't wring it out. My wrist hurts too much to wring it out. Yeah, I'm like an employee. I got all kinds of excuses over here. But, wheels and tires are done. Just a couple minute job. I think it was 14, 15 minutes to do the under the hood. Now I got this. I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna put a new kind of product that I'm using on this, and I have made this product over time. It's one of the best around, and it's different. It's gonna clean, degrease, and protect all in one step. Okay, thanks for watching. That's the tire and wheel cleaning and degreasing video. And like I say, one of the biggest tips of all, get yourself one of these brushes. It's a tire brush. It makes it awesome. And then check out my website, hipstercars.com. I'm going to put the degreasing stuff on there, and I'll be making websites for that in the months to come. Thanks for watching. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. All kinds of cars. Anything you need, I got it for sale. If not, I'll find it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you. I am seriously trying to change the way I do videos and still do some work vlogs while totally cutting most of the work vlogs and opting for doing more specific videos of specific things. Okay, on this one, tires and wheels are pretty good, except you've got old Armor All type stuff on them. Unless you get all that off, it's just going to leave yuck. And there's so much big space behind the wheel. You want to get that too and get all the road grease off of it. My hands are filthy just from touching it. And all around here, a lot of dust and stuff. This should look perfectly pristine. So just got done with the Lexus and doing the, look at that, and doing the motor on this. and I did the tires and wheels, and I'm putting up some individual videos of that. And then up next is this here 560 SEC, nice car, clean car, low miles, and you can see all the dust and grime built up over the years on this, and I'm going to be doing a separate video of this. So start checking my channel for like detailing playlists, and I'm changing around the whole face of the channel to be just a little bit different. Look at the interior of this car. The interior of this car is just absolutely beautiful. It's that chocolate brown. Tires and wheels, whole nother deal. I'm not going to do a straight up video on these, so might as well just include in the vlog. You can see they got all kinds of vinyl renewer on them. Which is not bad. It's good. It's going to keep that tire protected. And I am going to just run on with their theme, but I'm going to clean it up a bit. This one's looking good. God, I like cars. Can't wait to get all these out of here, though. I'm going to be hiring again, I think. Just got to. Don't want to, but I got to. Same thing, don't let the product dry on the tires. Nice Pirellis. I think I've got a... There we go. Get the wheels and tires all at once. And then I'll just have the car to wash. Colin's vacuumed the inside for me. I wish I had this piece here. Just missing. It would be nice to have. I'm gonna run out of gas right about now. Now these wheels are still dirty. Just ran out of gas. Even though they're clean, they're still pretty damn dirty. If that makes any sense. And I'll have to do this one without any pressure. Well, after that. It is a clean car. I think I've got some gas here.